How to choose a crypto to invest. Are you considering investing in cryptocurrencies, but finding it difficult to navigate the overwhelming number of options available? In this informative video, we will guide you on how to choose a crypto to invest in, a step-by-step guide. Step 1. Research and understanding. The first step in choosing a crypto to invest in is to conduct thorough research and gain a clear understanding of the cryptocurrency market. Educate yourself about the different types of cryptocurrencies, their underlying technology, and their potential for long-term growth. Step 2. Evaluate the purpose and utility narrator. Next, evaluate the purpose and utility of the crypto you are interested in. Does it aim to solve a real-world problem? Does it have a practical application that sets it apart from others? Consider how the crypto token will be utilized and if it has the potential to disrupt industries or create innovative solutions. Step 3. Assess the team and community narrator. The team behind a cryptocurrency plays a pivotal role in its success. Investigate the backgrounds and expertise of the team members. Look for a strong and diverse team that has a proven track record of delivering on promises. Additionally, consider the size and engagement of the cryptocurrency's community and active and supportive. Community can help drive adoption and increase the value of the crypto. Step 4. Examine market cap and liquidity narrator. Market capitalization and liquidity are crucial factors to consider when choosing a crypto to invest in. Market cap indicates the overall value of a cryptocurrency, while liquidity affects the ability to buy or sell without impacting the price significantly. And established and liquid, crypto offers more flexibility and minimizes the risk of market manipulation. Step 5. Analyze historical performance narrator. Before investing, assess the historical performance of the cryptocurrency. Analyze its price trends, volatility, and market cycles. This analysis will help you make an informed decision regarding the potential for future growth and stability. Step 6. Consult trusted sources and experts narrator. Seek advice from reliable sources and industry experts before making your investment decision. Stay updated with crypto-related news, follow reputable influencers, and join online communities to gain insights and opinions. However, always exercise caution and critically evaluate various viewpoints. Visual transition to conclusion narrator. By following these steps, you will be better equipped to choose a crypto to invest in with confidence. Remember, investing in cryptocurrencies carries inherent risks, so it is essential to do your due diligence and only invest what you can afford to lose. Thank you for watching this comprehensive guide on how to choose a crypto to invest in. With careful research, evaluation, and consideration of market factors, you can make informed decisions in the world of cryptocurrencies. Happy investing!